In the ThingSpace Manage portal, from the Devices page, click on the location icon at the top right. Then, click on View Console. On the Location Console dashboard, you can see all devices, including those that are known, meaning they have a lat and LAN value. You will also see the location update allowance, including the location SKU, in this case a course bundle. You can also see the percentage of that allowance already used. Click on the known circle to see those devices that are enabled for location services. Now, click on the unknown circle to see those devices that are not enabled for location services. Click on a device that is currently active and connected and click on the Actions button at the top right. Then, click on Enable Location to enable the device for location services. For coarse and precise location services, you can create a geofence around your device or devices. An easy way to locate those devices that have been enabled for location services is to use the filter option. From the Devices page, click on the filter icon at the top right. Then, click on Location. Under Last Location Update Status, uncheck the All option. Then check the Successful option. This will filter those devices whose last location update was successful. At the top right of the page, change the table view to Map. ThingSpace will now display a map with your devices. Zoom in to get a better view of where your device is located. Hover over the location symbol with your mouse to get more information. This device has been enabled with our course location service, and it uses the cell triangulation method, which averages all readings from the 3 nearest towers to your device. This option does not require the device to have GPS. Once you click on the location icon, it becomes red. Click on the arrow to the left of the map to show your devices. At the top right of the page, click on the location icon. Then, click Create Geofence. You will now be presented with a form to create your geofence. At the bottom of the navigation bar, click on Geofences to see those that have already been created on this profile. If your device travels outside of the geofence that you just created, you will get a notification via email. ThingSpace will also trigger an alert that you can view on the Alerts page. Let's take a look at how we can use the ThingSpace APIs to locate a device. Please be sure to watch the Getting Started with ThingSpace APIs videos that can be found on the ThingSpace Documentation, Tutorials, and Videos page. In the body section of your API call, there are 2 required parameters: the account name and the device list. There are 2 other optional parameters: accuracy mode and cached mode. Accuracy mode is an integer representing the requested accuracy of the returned location. Course location, which is 0, is currently the only supported value. Cache mode is also an integer indicating whether current or cached location information should be returned. 0 would mean cached mode, also set by default. Information from the last successful device location check is returned, or an error message is returned if there is no cached information for a device. 1 would mean cached or current mode. ThingSpace first looks for cached information for the device and returns that if it exists. If there is no cached information, it finds the current location of the device and returns that information plus stores it in the cache. And lastly, 2 means current mode. This returns the current location of the device and stores that location information in its cache. In the response, you will see certain values to parameters, including lat and LAN, or X and Y, the time that the location was reported, and the radius, which indicates the precision of the location in meters.